guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 3-minute Thursday. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my nightly facial routine. It's pretty easy. I'm going to make sure I keep it under the 3 minutes, that way it goes with the title of the video. So I start off by taking off my makeup with the Neutrogena makeup wipes. I love these wipes. Next up, I proceed to scrubbing. I do use the Secret Purifying Milk Scrub with apricot seeds. I really like this scrub. And then I wash my face with the Cetaphil Daily Cleanser, not moisturizer. This is for people with normal to oily skin. I try to stay away from products that are for people that have dry skin because I have very oily skin. Once I'm done with washing off my facial wash, I proceed to moisturizing. I use this product that I got from the dermatologist. It has a really long name that I'm not about to pronounce on camera. So I will put it in the description, but this is a really good product for my skin. So makeup is now off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face in the bathroom and start scrubbing. So I'll be right back after my face is wet. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some product on my finger. And I use about this much. So I do scrub my face every day because I wear makeup every day to work. It just helps me get rid of any extra makeup in my pores that the wipes are not able to take care of, or that my facial wash is not able to remove. That's the only reason as to why I scrub every day. And this scrub is not too harsh. It's not like those scrubs that are very harsh on the skin. This is very light. It only has almond seeds in it. Now I'm gonna go wash it out, and once I'm done, I'm gonna use my facial cleanser to wash out my face, dry out my face. I always dry out my face with a paper towel. And then moisturize and put about this much. So one final thing that I do after I finish taking care of my face is I take care of my lips. If you wear a lot of liquid lipstick, you want to make sure that you are prepping your lips and cleaning them. Because I have an electric toothbrush, I just turn it on and just do this to my lips. You're basically scrubbing them with your toothbrush. I know they have products out there that you can use to scrub your lips, but I mean, this is a free product. It's your toothbrush. And finally, I use these Vaseline thingies to just apply in my lips. And if you have any lip moisturizer, any lip care kit, just use that. That's it, you guys. This is literally what I do every day to take care of my face and make sure that I follow these steps every day because I wear makeup all the time. So I want to make sure that my face is healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Hit the bell for notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.